What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the G-Man upgraded from Skibidi toilet. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the glasses. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then down towards the left. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, going up and then down towards the side. From the inside, it's going to bend this down and then out. And then going back to the outside, it's going to round up the glasses, come down at an angle, and then in. Let's connect the glasses with a curve along the top, step down, and draw that again. And then we're going to add a thick frame along the outside. Starting from the top, draw a short line going up. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to angle this down and out. Go back up to the top. I'm just going to trace the glasses going around and then back in towards that bottom line. From the inside corner of the glasses, let's draw the brow coming in and then up on either side. Now I'm going to move out, bend the eyebrow, going up and then out. Just bend this down towards the bottom. Now in the center, we're going to step down, draw a curve for the nose, coming down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve from the left, come down and then up. Bend the mouth going out and then down towards the corners. Now connect the bottom with a curve going up the middle and then back down. And it'll separate the teeth on the side, bend this down and in with a short line. And then we'll cross this like a T with a straight line coming down. And then fill in the bottom corners of the mouth. In the center, let's step down, add a curve for the bottom lip. Now we're going to also add a fold along the outside, going out and then down. Now, from the outside of the glasses, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. On the left, we're going to step out, come around, come down underneath the mouth, round out the chin, go across, and then pull that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We're going to bump this out, go up and then in towards the middle, go all the way around, round out the head, and then bend that back in. Now we want to draw the inside edge of the hairline. Start from the side of the head, then this up around the eyebrow, and then in. Let's add another curve, going up and then in towards the top. Let's add that widow's peak on the left, bend this in and then down in the middle. Go to the right, bend this in and then down. Now we're going to layer the headphones along the side of the head. Let's start from the left, draw a short line going out. Let's line this up over on the right. Come down towards the bottom of the cheek, draw another line going out. Now connect the top and bottom with a curve. We're going to bend this out and then in towards the bottom. Let's add a cap on the end. We're going to step down, go out, around, and then in. From the top corner of the headphone, draw a straight line going up and pull that straight in towards the side. And then from the top corner, we're going to step in, just trace the top of the head. Go all the way around towards the top and then bring that down towards the right. Now I'm going to go back and add some wrinkles across the forehead. Starting on the left, bend this down and then up. Step up and draw a short curve. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the toilet bowl. We're going to start over on the left, bend this down, and then up. Let's tuck the neck in behind. Let's move over to the left, come straight down and bend that out. Go to the right and do the same thing. From the outside, we're going to step in, just curve this up and then in towards the side of the neck. And then we'll draw the outside of the toilet bowl, starting from the left side, going all the way around like an oval, come across the middle, go up on the right, and then bend that back in. Now we're going to draw that metal shield in the center. Let's start over on the left, draw a straight line, let's add a notch with a V, and continue across towards the right. Let's come down the sides with a straight line, and then we'll close off the bottom. Now I'm going to bend the side of the metal panels from the top corners, angle this up and out. Go to the bottom, draw that same angled line. Now close off the side with a straight line. Let's add a thick bevel along the top. From the top corners, just going to angle this in, and then we'll trace these lines going across. Now underneath the toilet seat, we're going to curve the bowl in behind that metal plate. Bend this down and then in. Let's add in the base, leaving a gap. Draw a straight line going across. Come straight down the side with a short line. And then again, drawing another straight line across the bottom. From the top corners, we're going to add some perspective, going up and in behind that metal plate. Now, we're going to move out to the side and draw 3 large circles. Let's start from the top. Draw that first circle, going all the way around, and then back up. Now, I want to line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Coming in, and then back up. And leave a gap and draw that same size circle. So stepping down, draw that again, going all the way around, and back up. And we'll just line that up on the right side. Let's do that one more time. Let's trace each of the circles along the inside, just leaving an even gap on the outside for trim. Now along the top of each circle, we're going to draw a smaller circle. Let's start along the top, going all the way around. Now I'm going to go in between and just touch each of those circles. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now draw a smaller circle in the center and fill those in black. Now I want to draw the inside edge of those circles. Let's start from the bottom. Just going to angle this up and then in. Let's go to the top circle and draw a straight line coming in towards the side of the toilet bowl. Now as we work our way down, we're going to start to angle these lines coming up. So let's start up here. Just going to give a slight angle coming up and in. Go to the top of the second one, draw another angled line. Come down to the bottom, do the same thing. Let's draw one more along the top of that bottom circle. Now from the top of that smaller circle, draw a short line coming in and round out the inside. Now I'm going to line up this curve in between and do the same thing. Now just underneath the head, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down the side of the toilet tank. And then when we move out underneath the headphone, draw a straight line coming down. And then we want to continue this line along the top, going up to right about there. Let's round up the top, going in behind the strap. Now along the top, we're just going to draw a half oval, going out and then in. Then from the outside of that oval, angle this up and in towards the top. Round up the top, and then come down. Angle this down and in behind the head. Now we're just going to add a strap across this pipe. Start with a curve along the bottom. Line that up on the right. Now we're going to step up and draw that one more time. And then we're going to add a metal plate along the side. Let's line up the top of this circle over on the outside. Angle this down and then out. Angle this down and then in. Now from the top and bottom, draw a short line going out towards the side. And then we'll trace these two lines along the outside. Now I want to draw the inside of that metal plate. From the top corner, it's going to give a slight angle coming down and in. And then from the bottom, go up and then in. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the G-Man Upgraded from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.